Welcome back, traders and investors, to the Beginner's Guide to Custom Screeners on Barchart.com. Ever feel overwhelmed trying to find the right stocks? With Barchart's custom stock screeners, you can filter out the noise and find high potential trades in seconds. In this video, we'll show you how to build your own custom screener from scratch, step by step. We'll teach you what you need to know on how to use filters, save a watch list, and set up alerts for opportunities that fit your trading and investing strategies. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. To access custom screeners, navigate to the Stocks tab on Barchart.com. Here, you'll see the stock screener and click here. On this page, you'll be able to screen for stocks. So let's break down what you're looking at. At the top, you'll notice a drop-down menu where you can quickly explore Barchart's pre-built screeners to get you started, or access your favorite saved screeners from the past. Below that, you'll have the filter display options where you can customize which columns appear in your results, like stock name, last price, and industry. You can also adjust which exchanges to include in your scan, whether it's the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, or OTC markets. And in the last section is where you'll start customizing your screener by adding filters. Now you'll start with a blank screener with no filters applied. Using the search bar and drop-down menus, we can add multiple filters, like moving averages, relative strength index RSI, and volume, just to name a few. Now each filter we apply refines our results further. So for example, if we initially get too many stocks, we can go back and add more criteria like market cap or weighted alpha to focus on the best opportunities. Now the filters will appear in the order they're added, but you can rearrange them by dragging and dropping them in the order you prefer for how they appear on the results list. If you need to remove a filter, just select the filter and then click the delete button. For this example, we're looking for stocks with a volume greater than 1 million and the volume is greater than yesterday's volume, meaning the volume is increasing. We can also adjust the moving averages to be greater than the last price, meaning the stock is trading below its moving averages and currently in a downtrend. Last, we'll set the relative strength RSI to be less than 40%. Meaning the stock is approaching or recovering from oversold territory near 30% on the RSI. Once your screener is set and everything is in the order you prefer, click See Results. From here, we can explore different views to customize how our results are displayed. The filter view only shows the columns you've selected in the screener, but you can switch to pre-made bar chart views or create custom views to display additional stock details. If certain data points are more relevant to your strategy, you can rearrange the order of the list by columns to prioritize key information like price, volume, or technical indicators. Now, if these results feel cluttered, we can go back to the screener and adjust the filter view by removing data like industry and exchange. This helps streamline the results and keeps the most important data front and center. We can also go back to the screener and reorder our filters within the screener, ensuring that our sorting criteria align with what matters most, whether it's volume, price action, or momentum indicators. When we click See Results again, our customized layout updates instantly to our new preferences. Now, if we want a more visual way to analyze our results, we can use Flipcharts. Flipcharts allow us to quickly scan through interactive charts for each stock in our screener results. Using the arrows on the side or the ribbon at the top, we can navigate through the charts effortlessly. One of the biggest advantages of Flipcharts is the ability to apply Barchart's pre-built chart templates or your own custom chart templates. This means we can instantly apply technical indicators, moving averages, or trend analysis tools without manually setting them up for each stock. It's a fast and efficient way to compare potential trade setups and spot patterns across multiple stocks in your screener results. So by combining screeners with Flipcharts and customized views, you can fine-tune your stock selection process and make better informed trading decisions. If you like the screener you've built, make sure to save it by clicking the Save Screener button. Give it a name and a description so you can easily identify it later. You can also customize how your results are displayed by adjusting the view options and selecting a sort by column in ascending or descending order. If this is a screener you plan to use often, you can set it as a default screener for quick access. If you want to stay updated, you can also set up email alerts to receive real-time updates on new stocks that meet your criteria. Barchart will also attach a CSV file to your email so you can download the data and analyze it further. Now that we've saved the screener, you can click the Organize Your Saved Screener button or head back to the list and click the drop-down menu to view saved screeners, and here you'll see the ones we just created or use another from the menu. And remember, a good screener isn't just about pulling up a massive list of stocks. It's about narrowing it down to the best candidates that match our trading and investing strategies. Now, if you want to track these stocks more closely, you can also save the results as a watch list. Click the Save Watch List button at the top right. Then choose to create a new watch list, append to an existing list, or replace a current watch list. To check on this new watch list, just click on the Watch List button on Barchart.com's menu. Here, this is where you'll find all of your new watch lists saved with any other watch list, ready for future analysis. Once you've built multiple screeners, you might want to organize them. So navigate to the Tools tab and click on the Organize Saved Screeners. Here, you can edit existing screeners, so you can tweak filter views and sort by settings, plus update your email delivery preferences, or set a screener as your default for quicker access. You can also delete screeners you no longer need by selecting the screener and then clicking the Delete button. And an added bonus, you can explore other Barchart screeners to discover new trade ideas and strategies to start creating new custom screeners. And that's it. You now know how to create a custom stock screener from scratch. Today, we covered how to add custom filters, save screeners, track stocks with Watchlist, and set up alerts to get notified on trading and investing opportunities. So now, it's on you. So start filtering stocks, save your watch list, and set up those alerts to stay ahead of the market. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to click subscribe and hit that notification bell for more trading tips and tools on Barchart.com.